Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart, and I'm back with another planner Destash. And I had a goal of making so much space, a certain amount of space, and that goal was not reached by my last bunch of Destashes. So I have forced myself to part with some more items, and some of these items are high ticket, very hard to find items, very difficult to part with items. This is going to be a US only Destash. It's going to be a PayPal, friends and family, and it's going to be $50 shipped. Okay, so it's not a cheap one. So, because this is mostly all Planner Society stuff, including this, I don't know, is this what's considered a personal size? I think she does personal, maybe it's a pocket. I don't know, I think it's a pocket size. Planner, and it's fully loaded. It has the bow. It's never been used. I have set it up though, so you could change it obviously. So it's got a clip here. It's got the washi strips that came with this collection, a dashboard, and then it's got all the books. So this book is, it says BU, and it's a month, date, year, must do, can't forget, notes to do, personal this week. So there's that. A little pocket here to put a little something, the end of the dashboard. And then this one is a plain one. It says be fabulous here. And then it's got some stickers that came with this collection because I had bought the planner as well as the kit that went with it. And then this one right here is a grid one. The rest of the stickers back here. And then this one is notes. And then it's got a bow right here. So I've got that as well as, let me go ahead and close this up. So I have that as well as the other 3 books that I have to go with this. So this one is my lists. This one is notes. And then this one is this grid one. Okay, so, and these are stitched. These came from the Planner Society. These were not ones that I made myself. So all of that was like $40. So it was pretty expensive. Okay, so I'm also doing, this was really hard to get rid of because I really, really like it, but I had to have less. I just did. So I have this, which is one of her pencil cases. Okay, and then this one, which is another pencil case. This one is just a plain one. Okay, and this one's got these little pieces in here. So I'm actually going to be filling it with some of the items if they fit in here, just for shipping purposes. So I'm also going to, later, my daughter's talking to me, or she wrote me a note. I've got these sequins. This is a sequin mix right here. So I have that sequin mix. And then I have this sequin mix. And I have another one. Oh, here it is. I have this sequin mix. So I have all those. And then I have some stamps. I have this one, which is a pineapple stamp. I have these ones, which are like emoji faces. It's like a sad face, a happy face, and a meh face, I guess. But these little teeny tiny little ones. And these were from the Planner Society as well. So that. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have some of these, which I am loath to part with because I do, out of everything I have from her, I do use these the most, and there's going to be more of these. This has die cuts as well as the tabs, as well as the stickers that she printed to go with the tabs. I mean, you could put whatever you want for the tabs, but I have those. I have the page flags. I have these ones, never used, never opened, of the page flags. I have these page flags. These are Both were for the Planner Society. So I have those. Let's see if anything else can fit in this pouch. Might be all that can fit. Oh, and then I have these page flags, the little girls on them. Okay, and then this is just a... Okay, and I also have a pen. I have no idea if it works. It's never been used, never been opened. It's a Pen Gem pen. I actually don't like the way these write. I mean, for me personally, they're just not, they don't write as well as I'd like. I prefer a gel pen. I think it helps my handwriting. Maybe it's just a mental thing. So it's that. And then, let's see, moving on to, what else do I have in here? I have these die cuts, bunch of die cuts, never used. I have these sticky notes. These are Planner Society sticky notes. These are Planner Society sticky notes. This is a Planner Society little tag. These are just some random wood arrows. These are also some little wood pieces. This one says July. I should keep that. It's my birthday month. Let's see what else we've got. This is not... is this Planner Society? I don't think it is. I don't know, but it's a little stretchy thing. Let's see. Is that all that is going to fit in here? That won't fit. Okay, that might be all that fits in here. Okay, so let me move on to the next. Oh, there's like a little bow. Stick that in there. Just want to... Oh, this could probably fit in there. So this stuff is some really cool stuff and kind of rare. So you get this clip, and it's like a Planner Society little book, like a little planner, and that is a Planner Society item. I have this one that says Planner Society Girl Stamp. I have a couple of clips. Those are Planner Society. These are rifle paper, but they remind me of Planner Society, so they're in here. And then this is from somewhere. Put that in there. Okay. Lily, you can get my phone. Why don't you call her yourself? Okay, so there's that. And then also I'm including just some random stickers. This is a little Planner Society girl. I'm going to go stick it in that one. I've got this Bella Rouge washi. Never used. This little weekly scheduler thing. This is a Planner Society Post-it notes. And then I've got these little cards that are Planner Society stickers. These little bee Post-it notes. These stamps, which are Planner Society. There's like a boot, an acorn. They were like fall stamps. A coffee cup, a pumpkin, and I don't know what that is. Like a raccoon or something. Okay, not a raccoon. Squirrel? I don't know. So there's that. It's in there. And then in here, all right, in here we have these die cuts, and then I have all the cards that I kept that the stuff was on, because people cut these up and use them for stuff. So I figured maybe someone would want those. So I have a bunch of those, and then I just have like all kinds of tabs. So I have tabs. Like I said, these are my favorite things in the Planner Society kits ever, were the tabs, because they were things I actually used. So I have lots of tabs, different Planner Society little cards that I have. I mean, just everything is here. So we got some of that, and tabs, cards and tabs, tabs and little thingies, tabs and little thingies. Same with that one, stickers. Okay, so that is $50 shipped. Please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and be ready to pay with PayPal. Be sure to send your address after you pay or in the notes or something, and I will mail this tomorrow. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.